Phantom doesn't want to walk today. Phantom, why don't you want to walk today? Why are you being a little lazy butt? Phantom, why are you being a lazy butt? Why? Why are you being lazy butt? He's so funny. He wants to be in the stroller. Wow, shade. Oh, now you want to go? Okay, hold on. Espérate. He wanted to get down because there's shade right here, and over there it was sunny. Okay, hold on, you're tangled. Okay. That's a good boy. Phantom, sit. Sit. Phantom, sit. Where's my good boy? Sit. Phantom, sit. Phantom, sit. Phantom, sit. That's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. You want to get on the stroller? Yeah? Want to get on the stroller? Okay, let's see how far you go. Come on. Let's go. Oh, he saw the sun. He's gonna try to hide. Yep, there he goes. Phantom don't like the sun? Phantom doesn't like the sun. No, he doesn't like the sun. He wants to be in the shade. You're a crazy boy. Crazy boy.